Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to paint a stone. I got interested in painting stones lately, so I searched for stones in my garden and found this little guy. I have some kind of night scenery for this, so first let's paint this. By the way, I'm using acrylic painting for this and I'm going to add dark blue and a light blue and black for the background. So we have to blend it very well. I'm going to paint full stone, both sides, back and front. Actually, I really love dark skies and moon and stars. Sometimes I think about learning astronomy, but we can't do everything at once. I will learn astronomy one day. It's on my bucket list, by the way. So we painted the background. Now let it dry. Now the stone is dried well, so let's start painting. Now I'm trying to paint a moon. I'm being very careful with this. It's really hard to paint on a little small stone. Yeah, I got the moon now. Now let's add some sparkles, stars around it. Comment below if you also love watching night skies. And yeah, we finished. This is the final results of it looks. And I was planning to do some more stone paintings. Let's see on the next video. So if you want to support me, if you want to watch more content like this, please subscribe, follow and share this video with your friends. Until next time, this is goodbye.